Larry is a 66-year-old who just went to his doctor for his yearly physical. After reviewing Larry's results, the doctor recommended that Larry go to a nearby medical laboratory to get his blood levels of cholesterol, triglycerides, and electrolytes checked. A week later, Larry went to the medical laboratory where a nurse drew a sample of his blood. The nurse then told Larry that it would take a couple of days to examine his blood and determine his cholesterol, triglyceride, and electrolyte levels. Sure enough, a couple of days later, Larry's doctor called to let him know that the medical laboratory had sent him Larry's lab results. The ability of the medical laboratory to keep track of Larry's information, blood sample, and test results, and send these test results on time to his doctor is possible in large part due to a laboratory information system. A medical laboratory is a laboratory where specimen samples are stored, examined, and processed. For example, a person can go to a medical laboratory to get a sample of blood taken from their arm. The laboratory can then examine and test this sample of blood to possibly diagnose a disease. Medical labs are often found in hospitals, large doctors' offices, and community health clinics. A laboratory information system, LIS, is a computer system that helps manage many aspects of a medical laboratory, including inputting, processing, and storing the information and data of a lab. For example, when Larry went to the medical laboratory to get his blood drawn and analyzed, the LIS helped to manage all the information related to his visit. This information included date of the appointment, primary care physician, patient information and demographics, the type of sample that was drawn, physician test orders, billing information, and when the test results were sent to the physician. A busy medical lab may have hundreds of patients each week. It can be very difficult to keep all this information organized. But an LIS does just that. An LIS helps keep all this information organized, which is vitally important for a medical lab to run smoothly. There are many practical applications of an LIS that help improve the day-to-day operations of a medical laboratory, as well as help prevent